what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang and not miss any new videos. Let's get on to the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, now I'm gonna keep it simple, I'm gonna keep it quick, I'm gonna keep it fast. It's gonna be a super short video, I hope. So today I have revisited my wig Neesha, and if you haven't seen my original Neesha video, I will leave an iCard to the video above. But I'm going to Japan in a few days, and I really wanted a wig with bangs, and I was like, rather than going out spending a lot of money on a wig with bangs, how about I just revisit a wig that I already own and kind of revamp her. So that is what I have done with Neesha. Maybe the bangs aren't the best, but I tried to kind of conceal that part the best I could. And you know, it's definitely a different look for me. I think I want to do 2 pigtails one day. You know, this is just something because it's supposed to be raining there a lot. So of course that means frizz and humidity. So I hope you guys enjoy this little style. I'm gonna let you guys see how I chop the bangs off. And yeah, let's get over into it. So I started by brushing the wig towards the front to kind of conceal the part so I could get the front as even as possible. And then I went through and did the bangs a little longer than I wanted them, so that way, you know, the less I take off, the more I can take off later on, if that makes sense. So I wanted to keep them long first, and then I'll shorten them up a little bit more as I go along to make it more even. But basically you're just gonna cut the bangs to the length that you want. I always suggest doing longer than shorter. And then once you try the wig on, you can see if you want it to be shorter, because once the hair's cut, that's it, sis. And then next, I'm going to go in to use my curling iron to kind of bump the ends so that the bangs lay more flat, because as you can see, they were sticking out a little bit. So I just took some heat to it and bumped the ends. You can also use a flat iron. I actually recommend using a flat iron instead of a curling iron because it helps to get the part more flat on the top, as well as bumping the bangs on the end. So this is kind of the final product. I still toyed around with it a little bit more, and I sprayed some Got To Be Glued spray on it just so it would hold that part in that same shape instead of separating, because it will separate if you don't make sure to either use some heat on it or some kind of setting hairspray. I definitely didn't show you that in this video, but I've straightened the unit so it comes to about my waist. That's just probably kind of where it was before, but it's straightened, and this is how she looks. All finished. Giving me that, you know, doll vibe, you know. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!